हम में से मेजॉरिटी टूरिस्ट गोवा में सिर्फ गूगल मैप्स के बेसिस पे ही recommendations लेते हैं, बट आर दीज recommendations even good? शुरुआत हम करेंगे ब्रेकफास्ट के साथ, सो लेट्स लुक अप द नंबर 1 ब्रेकफास्ट स्पॉट इन साउथ गोवा। गूगल भैया ने कहा कि बेस्ट ब्रेकफास्ट है मॉन petit frère में। प्रोनाउंस करना भी नहीं आता यार, जंगल में है ये। कहाँ है रेस्टोरेंट? इज दैट अ स्नेक?
It looks too scary.
So भाई लोग, ये है यहाँ की सीटिंग। मेन्यू इज शॉर्ट एंड टू द पॉइंट। बेवरेज के लिए we've gone with an iced americano and watermelon juice. Let's see कि इनकी कॉफी कैसी है। Phenomenal. One thing about Goan restaurants is that there are always pets, either a dog or some cats. I really like cats, guys. I love dogs, but I also like these small kittens.
Pussy.
So our eggs have arrived. This is an eggs benedict and it's the weirdest looking eggs benedict I've ever seen. And here's our Turkish eggs, which is poached egg on some yogurt with some chili oil. Which one are you more excited for?
Turkish eggs, because I've never tried Turkish eggs, no?
Cheers. Both the Turkish eggs and eggs benedict look quite similar, but this has some yogurt. The highlight for me so far is the coffee. Fucking amazing. The coffee beans are so good. बाकी का order भी आ गया है. The bruschetta and some pancakes. It's insanely fresh, but on itself is lacking some oomph. Let's try the pancakes now. This is the Choco Chunk pancake. Let me drizzle some of this honey. Check this, bobbies. The Choco Chunks are melting on the pancakes because they're still warm. Yesterday we had a pancake at Caravella, which was a local's recommendation. That was good. This is good too. The last thing that I'm going to be trying is this omelette. It's a spinach, mushroom and cheese omelette with butter on this side. Let's cut into it. Oh wow. You see that, bobbies? The spinach, the mushroom, the cheese. That is banging. और अगर बिल की बात करें, I think it's very reasonably priced. हम दोनों का बिल आया 2145, which अगर आप टोटल अमाउंट देखो तो कम नहीं है, but then again मैं खाता भी तो इतना हूँ यार. That's the problem. Being big man comes with a cost. Now to commute in Goa, you need a rental vehicle. या तो आप बाइक ले सकते हो, स्कूटी ले सकते हो या फिर कार ले सकते हो. The closest scooty rental from my place is a rental called as Iggy Bike Service. इनको गूगल पे सिर्फ 3 stars मिले हैं. So let's see what the experience will be like. मैंने कॉल किया and they immediately attended to me and it costed 400 per day. Cost wise देखें तो it is actually on the cheaper side itself. हम लोग नवंबर टाइम आए हैं, which is peak season, and नवंबर के टाइम 400 rupees per day is not a bad price at all. At least the good part is that he has displayed his price.
Yeah, usually people don't display their prices.
Now Shefali and I wanted to try a fish thali, so Google recommended Mother recipe in Benolim. 1000 plus reviews and 4.5 star average. This sounds promising. Bobbies, this is the vibe here. Jam packed. Look at the kitchen in there. You can see people frying up fish.
All women.
All women, yes. Beautiful, bro. So here's the fish thali at Mother's recipe. Rice, fish fry, fish curry, bhindi ki sabzi, salad, achar, and kokum. I opted out of the prawn sabzi. They usually give a prawn sabzi as well, but I'm allergic to prawns. On the side, I've gotten a mussels fry. Let's try the fish curry rice.
It's really yummy.
So Mother's recipe का fish curry is the closest we've gotten to our favorite fish curry from North Goa. मैंने एक बांगड़ा तवा फ्राई भी लिया है because I've never tried a bangda. Let's taste it. Oh my god. Bro, that masala is mental. It's so tangy. So bobbies, this was our bill at Mother Recipes. Total 1110 rupees.
One of the best meals I've had in South Goa.
We'll also give them a 5 star.
Yes, crowded place, but
Definitely.
hectic, amazing.
क्रेटा है मेरे भाई. फिश थाली खा के मजा आ गया, but we now need a dessert. That's something about me, ठीक है? जब भी मैं एक heavy meal खाता हूँ, I need something sweet after that. So we've come to Caravella Cafe and Bistro. These guys have a lot of dessert options. Guys, one thing I've noticed is South Goa में dessert ढूंढना थोड़ा challenging है. You don't really have a lot of cafes doing desserts. So we've come back to Caravella, a place that we visited a couple of days back. Food is great, but now let's try the desserts out. These guys have 4.8 stars on Google. Brotherly broskies, we've opted for a carrot cake. This is the first time I'm going to be trying a carrot cake and it's in Goa. Cheers. I like the sponge a lot. Usually people like the icing of a cake, but this time I'm enjoying the sponge, the base. It's too good.
I don't think I've eaten a better carrot cake.
You've eaten carrot cakes in the past? I've never eaten a carrot cake. अब गाइस गोवा आए हो तो एक दो दिन रुकोगे भी, राइट? बट द प्रॉब्लम इज पीक सीजन में यहाँ पे रेट्स बहुत हाई होते हैं। आपको मिनिमम 10-12,000 रुपीज़ पे करना पड़ेगा पर नाइट का। सो मैंने गूगल चाचू से पूछा कि कोई सस्ता बजट फ्रेंडली रिजॉर्ट दिखाओ, एंड दे टोल्ड मी कि मैजेस्टिक जाओ एंड यू विल गेट द बेस्ट डील। ये जो पाथवे आप देख रहे हो ये सीधा आपको बीच तक लेके जाता है, एंड ऑन द वे इटसेल्फ आपको एक कॉटेज अलॉट किया जाएगा। एंटर करते ही एक पूल मिलता है विच इज ओपन फ्रॉम 8 AM to 9 PM। पूल इज स्मॉल बट क्लीन एंड डीप। गाइस गूगल चाचू ने दिखाया कि दिस प्रॉपर्टी हैज 4.5 स्टार्स आफ्टर 2000 रिव्यूज। You don't get to see that quite often, guys. And that too in the south side of Goa. Budget friendly, इतना highly rated hotel, very rare. मैंने ये होटल 5-6 हफ्ते पहले बुक कर दिया था, so I got it at a steal deal. I paid only 3K per night for the best room available. Open please. So this is the room. It is very big for the price you're paying. The bathroom is also very neat, which is a non-negotiable. Typically जब आप सस्ते rooms book करते हो, they compromise on the bathroom, but Majestic clearly hasn't. So अपने room से निकल के थोड़ी दूरी में ही है beach. It's a private beach and you just need to cross this river. Trust me, अगर आप South Goa आ रहे हो, then half the time should be spent in the waters or on the beach. Chef, feet in water, come let's go. Ooh, it's still cold. It's still cold. लगता है और आधा घंटा वेट करना पड़ेगा। पानी में जाओगे? हाँ अभी ठंडा है, वही तो बोला ना। और तू सुबह 9 बजे जाना चाहती थी। हाँ, this is cold, yes. So pretty, guys. Are you guys taking it home?
Yes. Of course.
How's it going so far?
Fun.
Fun? Are you enjoying Soumya's and Gurleen's company?
Yes, it's nice to have girls around.
Now Goa has a lot of shacks, but the one I really like is Zumbrai. It's very low key, it's usually not crowded, and the staff is very friendly. And the best part is, if you come here, you get to play with Gucci. Gucci! Say hi, bro! Yeah, Gucci, come here! So now I'm ordering a tandoori fish, and she's going to get the fish, show me how big it is, and then I get to decide what preparation, what spices I like. Which size I want? The smaller one, ma'am.
Smaller.
Yeah. How much will that be, ma'am?
This will be 1,000 for you.
1,000, okay?
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Only
Let's
for
do.
you.
Only for me, okay, and for my audience. This is a YouTube video, ma'am. They'll come, they will say, "Big man sent." Please get them also the best price.
Okay.
This is fresh, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. By the way, this is not a Google Map recommendation. This is a Big Man recommendation to you guys. Come here, tell them that Big Man sent you, and you'll have a good time. Ah, okay, chill. I'm telling you, you better behave when my audience comes to say hi to you, okay? Don't be licking your balls like you usually do. Bobby's my tandoori fish is here. This is sea bass or chaunak as they call it in Konkani, with some side salad and rice. Phenomenal. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, I've had a lot of fish today, man. Now it's time to head out for dinner and a fancy dinner. दोस्तों साउथ गोवा में अगर आप फाइन डाइनिंग रेस्टोरेंट्स देखो then there are very limited and the number one is Cavatina by Avinash Martins. दोस्तों Cavatina has been time and again ranked as the best restaurant in South Goa, so let's go try it out. But first, let's do a fit check, Bobbies. Chef, come here. Just look at that, man. She looks beautiful today. I look fine. I'm a little puffy, a little bloated after all that food I've been eating. But somehow Shefali's shape is unchanged from the time she came. How do you do this?
I'm just a girl.
You're just a girl.
Yes.
And I'm just big man, bruv.
Bigger, biggest.
Barbie and big man. Bhai sahab, Cavatina has 4.6 stars after 2000 reviews. So that means it's top tier. Now let's go find out if it actually is worth the hype. We have reached Bobby's Cavatina and we have a reservation for 2. This is the vibes, Bobby's. They're packed up. It's a Friday night dinner and they are packed for service. गोवा में चिकन काफरियाल बहुत फेमस है, but Cavatina ने उसे भी फाइन डाइनिंग बना दिया. This is what they call nest in the wood. ये जो बेस देख रहे हो आप, वो काफरियाल का बेस है with some काफरियाल masala and a quail egg on top. It's a single bite madness that you need to just take it all at once. This is Cavatina's take on a raw omelette. Here's the raw omelette at Cavatina. It's a slider brushed with shakuti curry. One thing that I must point is that Cavatina में भले ही लोग packed हो, but the service is prompt. आपके ऑर्डर करने के 4-5 मिनट में खाना आ जाता है and that's something I really like. Here's a fine dining shakuti, chicken shakuti curry, which is a local Goan delicacy. roasted coconut with chicken, and here is the red rice. How hungry are you?
Not hungry at all, honestly.
Yeah, we ate an entire fish before coming.
The entire day we've only been eating.
That's facts. Thank you, brother. Time to give this fine dining chicken charcuterie a taste test. Not spicy enough, but flavor-wise, amazing.
Ooh.
Right?
I like it.
Flavor-wise, amazing, but I would have liked it to be spicier. Dessert ke liye, we've opted for the queen of all Goan desserts, the bebinka served with ice cream.
Oh,
It is mental good.
amazing.
Amazing, right? Top 5 or top 10?
Top 10.
Top 10. Guys, we're putting this in the top 10 best desserts we've eaten. 5 days have now passed and I have submitted my bike rental back to Iggy. And honestly, I too had a good experience.
Yeah.
The lady, Meili ma'am, was really nice. And my bike gave me no problems. The helmet was a full helmet. So I don't think I have anything to complain about.
Clean helmet.
Yeah.